I'm Dan Ackerman, and we are here taking a look at the new Microsoft Surface Pro 2. This is the second generation of Microsoft's Windows 8 slate. The original version was one of our favorite of the first gen of Windows 8 slates because it had a full Core i5 processor and a really clever keyboard cover. We keep all that with this new version. In fact, it's pretty much the same size, the same weight. The biggest difference to the body is the kickstand in the back. Of course, you pull out the kickstand. Now, like the Surface 2, it has a second angle, so you can go like this. That's especially important if you're trying to use it on your lap or you're sitting up a little bit higher. Of course, you can go back to the original like this. Internally, the biggest change is these guys have moved to Intel's latest generation of processors. We call that the 4th generation Core i series. You might also hear that referred to as Haswell. And what that gives you is it's a modest performance improvement, but the most important thing is the battery life boost. You should get a lot better battery life with the new chips, and Microsoft says they've done a lot of tweaking inside to give you additional battery life gains on top of that. So that plus the Haswell will hopefully give you an all-day tablet that you can take on a plane with you or just use in a coffee shop all day long without having to plug it in. Now, one of my favorite things about the Surface returns, and it is the Type and Touch covers. This is the Type cover. It's a removable keyboard cover that has actual physical island-style keys you can use, and it snaps on just like this, comes in a bunch of colors. A big improvement to the original Type cover is that it's a little bit thinner, but it's backlit, and I love backlit keyboards, and the light is actually pretty bright. It turns on automatically in low light situations, and of course, when you're ready to go, since the keyboard is magnetic, you just close it like this, close the kickstand, and then you have a very portable package you can just take with you like that. And then, of course, you're set up to use it just like that. The Surface Pro 2 is going to be available at the end of October and start just like the Surface Pro 1 did at $899. I'm Dan Ackerman, and that is Microsoft Surface Pro 2.